Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to interface the INMP441 digital microphone with the ESP32 S3 board. First, let's talk briefly about the module. The INMP441 is a high-performance, low-power digital output omnidirectional MEMS microphone with a bottom port. It uses the I2S protocol, which stands for inner IC sound. This is a synchronous serial communication standard fully supported by the hardware inside the ESP32 S3. Let's look at the key specifications. First, low power consumption. It consumes around 1.4 milliamps of current. Second, high sensitivity. It is rated at minus 26 decibels fs. Third, operating voltage. The safe supply range is between 1.8 volts and 3.3 volts. Make sure not to connect it to 5 volts. Now for the pinout and wiring, the module features 6 pins. Connect SCK, which is the serial data clock, to GPIO 47. Connect WS, which is word select, to GPIO 10. And connect LR, which is left-right channel select, directly to ground. The LR control pin determines whether the INMP441 outputs data in the left or right channel. Connect SD, which is serial data, to GPIO 21. Connect VDD to the 3.3 volt pin on the ESP32 S3. Connect G&D to ground. Additionally, connect the cathode of a red LED to a 100 ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the resistor to ground, and connect the anode to GPIO3 on the ESP32 S3. Before we dive into the code, keep in mind that the INMP441 is widely used in teleconferencing systems, smart voice assistants, remote controls, gaming headsets, mobile devices, laptops, tablets, and IoT audio streaming systems. Now, let's head over to the code. That's the code. I'll put the link to the code in the description of this video. Before uploading the code, select your board. For me, it's the ESP32 S3 dev module. Then pick your detected port and hit the upload button. Once the code has finished uploading, we can test out the experiment.